So we will learn about what is a Streamlit and how you can showcase your work using a Streamlit. So let's start. So Streamlit is a Python library that is used to create a UI to your code, and you can deploy it to the community of Streamlit, any app that you create. Okay, it's very easy to do, and let's start. So firstly, we will install Streamlit. Okay, let's create an environment. Conda create -n Streamlit AB, where I will add Python 3.10. Okay, not take more than a minute. So it's done. And okay, Conda activate Streamlit env. Okay, now our Conda environment is activated. Let's install Streamlit. Okay, it will not take more than like 2 minutes. Once it's installed, like it's right now downloading it. Let's create a file. So we'll create a hello world.py. Okay, and if you want to run Streamlit run, and let's run this hello world. So we just started Streamlit run hello world, and you can see it over here, the local URL where you can go and check it out. So you see we are getting a blank here. So let's write something there in the code. So if input main and import Streamlit, okay, as st, and you can write it here st.write hello world. Okay, and if you go back and refresh it, you can see it here, the hello world. Okay, so this is the way how you can install and hello world. Okay, let's start on how we can add header or a button. Okay, how we can do that. st dot header. Okay, and you can write it. It's my first stream app. Okay. And if you refresh it, you will see this. So you see now we got header. This is the text in it. Okay, so this is the way how you can add header. And if you want to add button, it's very easy to do. String dot button, and you can write it here all set. Okay, and let's take its out as output, and based on the output, okay, if it's true or if it's written true, then st.write all good. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so we got all good. Now we are done over here creating a button. Let's say show our data frame. Okay, we can show a data frame also in here. Both pandas as PD. Okay, and we can create a data frame that is equals to pandas data frame. Okay, and Let's add column names. Let's add Joy, Annie, Heavy. Okay, and once now let's create some more thing there. Let's add edges. Okay, 25, 23, 24. Okay, and now we want to showcase this, right? You can directly show if you want directly using this, but let's see if we able to do this or not. Because okay, you can see it here. We have the table, Joy, Annie, Kevin, and their ages. Okay, so this is the way how you can add data frame. Now, if you want a slider, okay, let's add slider like this. So we need to add details like this. Firstly, the thing that you want to show first, and the value start range, then end range, and then by default value. Okay, let's write it here as the dot write age. Okay, and in age we'll type it here age. Let's see if it works or not now. Okay, now you see we got age and it's changing this value for us. So this is the way how we can add a slider to it. Okay, so how we can add line chart. So to add line chart is like this. So we created a header, okay, we created a data frame, but if you don't want to create a data frame, then also it's not a problem. So line chart is to create a line chart for us, okay, and you will be able to see it here. Okay, now NP is not defined, it's just because I copied it from there. NP as NP. Okay, now if I run it again, you can see it here, a line chart. Cool. So we added a lot of things now, right? Okay. Let's start on a multi-select. So to add a multi-select here, multi-select, okay, let's add a thing, a message. Okay. So directly I will add it here like what's your favorite colors, okay, and give the options and then by default two values, okay, and I will add this and you will able to see. So I am here. So you see we selected yellow and green, and if you want you can add more. So you can add blue, you can add orange, you can red, and you can see their output because this is what we are printing it. Okay. So this is a way how you can add multi-select. Okay. Another thing is select option. So select option is also very simple. Options as t dot as dot select. Okay. What's your favorite color? Let's give options right now. Okay. This time, and we'll see result in a minute. Okay. Okay. And now, okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see now. So you see here we can select anything from here, and we when we are selecting it there is a change here, right? So this is the way how you can add select. And now if you want to add checkbox, okay, let's Now let's learn about checkbox. So to create a checkbox, it's very easy. Checkbox, and let's see, red, red, use yellow check. Okay, if red check, then st dot right. I am here on red check. Okay, if it's a yellow check, just st dot right. It's a yellow check. Okay, just to see the different output. Okay, let's click one of them. So you see I'm here on a red check, I'm here on a yellow check, I'm here on a yellow check. So this is the way how you can add a checkbox. Okay, other thing that you want to see. Okay, now let's learn about progress bar. So how we can create a progress bar. Okay, so to create a progress bar, it's very easy to do. Okay, so how we can do that is st dot progress. Okay, and then what you can do is like this. So st dot progress, and then here I added a range, percentage complete, and then added a timestamp to sleep. Okay, and increment the value of that progress bar. Okay, from 0 to 100. Okay, and let's see are we getting the correct output or not. Okay, no time imported. So let's import from time, import time. Okay, let's see. Okay, it says me that instead of importing time from time, just import time. Okay, and you can see it here, the progress bar. Cool, right? And yeah, we got a small error, but no problem. Let's not worry about it. Let's remove that code, and you will see progress bar. All this code will be available on the GitHub repository, and link of it will be there in the description, and you can connect me on LinkedIn.